Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10 lines on aunt or how to write 10-line essay on ant. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is: the ant is a tiny insect. Second line is: it has 6 legs and a small head with 2 antennae. Third line is: they are usually black, brown or red in color. Fourth line is: they collaborate as a group and reside in colonies. Fifth line is: they are very hardworking. Sixth line is: they build intricate tunnels underground. Seventh line is: sometimes they even carry food grains double their size. Eighth line is: their teamwork helps them to achieve the impossible. Next line is, we should learn this habit from them. Last line, that is line number 10, is, ants are fascinating creature to observe and learn about.